My girl flips me a bit hot, right? My flip our base day, flip days, scoot up in around, bake, spot up, breathing or in a farm, creating a fiction more from farm, creating a simpler. That actually that I said that when you're think my mind. That's the more than the year. Catching us to get as fast. I make my back. Good at. I love you. Play. Yeah, that's playing and three including when they go lost. Two. Breathing. If you can play it's a bat. Like that to play so they let you cover the holes and then leave you right. You literally put their mouth in your mouth. It holes one piece poking stuff later around them. More covering the whole mark for six well up the top. You're underneath it. Ready out breath. Great. Let's do again. Four. I can get good. Say five. I'll start and playing. One, two, three, four. Letter out where it's wasted. I know. No. Mouth, move over the holes, go round, and control. Here we go. We get your memory. Let's do it straight. 3, 4. That's right. No. The host below the little warning. It's in your throat. And sound low in of your harmonica, especially around. If you now try climbs out and red one. Nice and relaxed. And then let me want to be in my throat and relax while I continue. There's enough hint, but hint. If you okay, he's gonna start and begins out breath. Make sure you're pretty full. We're wise. Ready, aim, and then there's the bad. So don't you weren't getting a single no. The bad news is that you learn to find aim at the particular hole. What does an outlet a particular hole mean? Well, for example, the neighbors on the creep that why do aim that middle of the that is the middle out jingle bells for you. All you to do is aim your mouth up at the hole number 5. That is cover the 6 hole out a couple times while whispering the word jingle bells through your. Let's do this and slow it. Start with your lungs roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch a breath in between each jingle bells. You can hear me. Each a quick breath between a bunches. You do it all the time. You're talking. Don't. Breaking up the breath. A harmonica player have a few ways of waving a song like jingle. Play part of a song and Beth with a puff of air. Or you can whisper the word the song through the harmonica. When we do that, our tongue naturally breaks this in the right place if we know the like that. Don't say the words, but whisper up. If we want to play loser rock, there's another way to break up the air from our lungs. It's articulation. Articulating notes is very much like whip through the harmonic, but when we articulate words like do, to, ta, through the harmonic, these are usually down and more full than the regular words. Instead of whispering we might say do. You try that for a minute. Do it. Try them articulations as you move around using out breaths in different parts of the gut. Track 4. Now that you've practiced articulating while you move around, try the first line of the song, Tabs. Day is done. But instead of whispering the words day is done, let's try to saying do. The first 2 do's are on the 3 hole, centered on the 3 hole that is, and last, longer do is on the 4 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 out, 4 out. If you need to, you can catch a quick breath in between that first do and the second. And do. Almost all music is based on what is called a steady beat. A beat is the underlying pulse of a piece of music, rather like a heartbeat or your own pulse. Try tapping your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These following exercises will help you build up your sense of a steady beat while playing the harmonica. Or, if you like folk music, you are now ready to turn to the Play Folk Music Today section of the book and start playing songs from my easy-to-read harmonica notation system. Or if you prefer the blues, go on to board track 5 of Bluesy Train and Some Breathing Patterns. Our first exercise will involve putting our lips over the holes 4, 5, and 6. We'll play 2 separate beats of the 4, 5, and 6 in breath, and then have 2 silent beats. I'll start with a count of 4. Lips on the 4, 5, 6, and get yourself nice and empty. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, silent, silent. In, silent, silent. Go back and try that a few times till you can do it nice and smooth. That's going to be the whistle of our train. For our second exercise, we'll go to 2 beats of 1, 2, 3 in. Remember that. 2 beats of 1, 2, 3 out. Our breathing pattern, and lots of our music is going to be based on breathing patterns like this, will be in and out, out. So put your lips over the holes 1, 2, and 3, and get empty for starting with 2 in-breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, out, out, in, out, out. When you can do that nice and smoothly, try using that breathing rhythm to make a train of your own. You can slow it down or speed it up as you like. When you're ready to put the whistles in, move your mouth up to the 4, 5, and 6 holes, and do your 2 in-breaths. Silent, silent. Then back to your train. In, out, ready for the whistle on in. In, breathe. In, back to the train. In, out. One more. Train's